Good morning everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setup for today. So as expected, as I've been talking, we finally got a bit of a rejection of some structure, well, not really structure, but we got a bit of rejection, and this breakout is not going to happen. So the breakout of this range or channel that we have here, there's a 75% chance of it happening. It ain't going to happen. So you've got a much better chance of it breaking the downside. So the problem with this setup at the moment is with that channel break, and you can see how strong this level is. So there's the first touch there, and obviously if I adjust it slightly to pick up these tails here, you'll see a different picture. But for price to stay above that level, it is going to take a mammoth task. There's going to have to be a lot of there's going to be a large catalyst, or a lot of noise or news, or something for price to sustain that. So at the moment, it's going to come back. I feel it may find support on here, and then it may sort of flip and just start building another channel on the upside, or alternatively come into the channel and say, I don't think it's going to break the channel to the downside. If it does break to the downside, then your target is all the way down here. But I mean, that's on the higher time frames. So at the moment on the daily, you can see lots of indecision, and it does look like a bit of a flag that is forming. So 3 hour, we've got a double top on the 3 hour here. We've broken. We are busy retesting. So that is 32,993. We'll just pay attention to that level at the moment. I think the breaks are going to have to be a little bit deeper down. So 32,819. That's nice. Engulfing, but I don't think that's going to be enough structure for to drive this thing further down. So we've got quite a bit of support here. So I think one move down, pull back, could be a second move down, probably going to be a second move down into this area. 32,788 and 32,819. I'm not 100% sure I want to be buying off that structure. I'd much rather be buying lower down, and this channel does worry me. So the channel really does worry me. So often what you see is the price just gets back into the channel and then respects the channel. Very rarely does it actually form a new channel above and continue, especially when it is this overbought. Okay, so for me, I think I'm still waiting. On the S&P, there's some clear short scalp setups, but there's not really clear short scalp setups here. So looks like we're breaking through the structure. That's 32,993. One worth watching. If we reject that and we keep rejecting it, then you've probably got another move down to this area. And I'll take the first one, 32,819. I don't think it's a worthy short scalp anyway. I think it'll be much easier just to wait. Bear in mind that the Nasdaq was down 3.5% yesterday, so that's pretty much what drove the S&P down. The Dow, not that tech heavy, so it's more bank heavy. So you could see some divergence as well. So just be very careful with this setup at least. Okay, so completely confused on this one. We'll wait for structure. If we do get a second move down, I think I may be looking at buying in here, but what worries me is we've been down to this level quite a few times, so often when that happens, it tends to break that level, and again this channel worries me. So yeah, I think I am more than likely just going to sit quietly and watch this, and that's about it for me. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.